talk about how can you create house on your Clubhouse app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above here your photo profile, just click on it. When just click on photo profile here, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click on settings here. When just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on create a house. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then here choose a name, you add it here. So when you're done, you just click here on create my house here. Then it's going to create with you here on your my or your Clubhouse app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.